What will happen if you do plank every day? Exercising with body weight is in the fitness world more and more popular, and mostly thanks to simplicity and practicality. Plank is one of the exercises with own body weight which will be never out of style, and also is one of the most effective exercises which you can do. Why? Because it requires little time and offers achieving significant results in a relatively short time range. Abdominal muscles play an important role in optimal body posture and offer support for our back. It is also necessary at the prevention of injuries. However, our abs need to be strong and regularly trained to be able to perform this function successfully. It means that exercising of plank every day is an excellent way to strengthening of our core and back support. Number 1. You'll lower the risk of getting injured. Plank is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle mass, and at the same time, you can be sure that you don't put too much pressure on the back and hips. According to American Council of Exercise, planking not only reduces back pain but also strengthens muscles and ensures strong support of the back, mostly at the top. Number 2. You'll have accelerated metabolism. Planking is excellent choice of stimulating the whole body. If you would do it every day, you burn more calories than at any common exercises for abdominal muscles such as push-ups. Muscles strengthened by this exercise on a daily basis ensures burning of higher energy amount even when sitting. This is important mostly when you have sitting job and spend most of the day sitting by the computer. Number 3. You'll improve body posture. Plank exercising perfectly improves body posture. By the means of strengthening the core, you will be able to keep the right body posture at any circumstances, because abdominal muscles have an impact on the condition of neck, shoulders, chest, arms and back.
If you're enjoying the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications. Thanks.
Number 4. You'll improve the stability. Have you ever tried to be standing on one leg and you haven't kept in this position for longer than a few seconds? It is because your abdominal muscles are not strong enough to provide needed stability. By improving the stability with the help of plank and plank variations, you'll improve the efficiency in every kind of sport activity. Number 5. You'll be more flexible than any before. Flexibility is the key benefit which regular plank brings. By this form of exercise, you expand and extend all back muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades and collarbone, and at the same time, you tension hamstrings, leg loops and toes. If you add side plank to your routine, you can work on the abdominal oblique muscles which offer more benefits. Number 6. You'll be witness of psychical benefits and you'll clear your head. Plank exercising has special influence on our nerves and influences improvement of the mood. How? Well, there are extended the muscle groups which have influence on stress and body tension. Think of it, you are sitting on the chair for all day, your thigh muscles are retracted, legs are getting heavy and tension in your shoulders is growing. These are the causes of stress growth in muscles and nerves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.